Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to your science class. We have finished the revision of the second chapter from the book, that is teeth and digestive system, right? In the previous class, we discussed the answers of true and false from let's recall part, and also we discussed the answers of question number A, take the correct answer from the exercise part given in the book, right? Today we are going to discuss the answers of question B, C and D. Okay, so now let's start our class. Okay, before discussing the answers, let me tell you that you can write these answers in your book, that is question B answers you can write in your book using a pencil. Okay, or if you have written it earlier, no need to write it again. So the question number B is write T for true and F for false statements. Okay, there you are given total 5 statements. Yes, the first one, bacteria cause diseases like malaria and dysentery. It is false. Okay, second one, microbes can be seen through a microscope only. Yes, it is true. We should chew the food well. It is what? True. Bile makes food soft and moist. It is what? False. And the last one, we should drink milk every day for healthy teeth. Yes, it is true. Okay. So these are the answers of true and false from the exercise part. Okay. Now let us move to question number C. Okay. There you are given total 5 questions. Okay. We will discuss one by one. Okay, and before going to answer, if you have written this name the following in your copy earlier, then no need to write it again. Okay, for the students those who were absent in the month of April and May, they can write the answers in their copy. Okay, if you have written already, then no need to write again. Okay, the first question is different types of teeth. Okay, the answer will be the different types of teeth are incisors, canines, premolars, and the last one molars, right? Okay, now let us move to the second question. Teeth which help in tearing the food. Okay, and the answer will be teeth that help in tearing the food is canines. Okay, then the third one, the process of breaking down of food into simpler substances. And the answer will be the process of breaking down of food into simpler substances is what? Digestion. Okay. Now let us move to the next question. Number of sets of teeth found in humans. And the answer is the number of sets of teeth found in humans are 2, and they are temporary teeth are milk teeth and permanent teeth. Okay, canines, incisors, premolars and molars, they are what? Type of teeth. Okay, they are types of teeth, and sets of teeth are what? Temporary teeth and permanent teeth. Don't be confused. Okay, now the fifth question, a machine through which we can see microbes, and the answer is what? Microscope. Okay, so these are the answers of question number C, right? Now let us move to question number D. Answer the following questions. First one, what are milk teeth? And the answer is the first set of teeth in a child is called milk teeth or temporary teeth. Okay. Then the second one, what are permanent teeth? And the answer is the set of teeth that takes the place of milk teeth is called permanent teeth. Okay. Now the third question, what is digestion? The answer is the process of breaking down of food into simpler substances is called digestion. Okay. Now the fourth question, name any 4 organs involved in digestion of food. And your answer will be the name of any 4 organs involved in digestion of food are mouth, stomach, liver, anus. I have written this 4. Okay, you can write any 4 from the given 7 organs. Okay, Now let us move to the next question, that is question number 5. Okay. And the question is, what are microbes? Name 2 diseases caused by microbes. And the answer is, microbes are very tiny living things which cannot be seen through naked eyes. And the next part of the answer will be, 2 diseases caused by microbes are typhoid, which is caused by bacteria, and polio, which is caused by virus. Okay, or you can write any 2 diseases from the given list. Okay, now moving to the 6th question. The question is, give the uses of different types of teeth. And your answer will be, the uses of different types of teeth are, first one, incisors. They are used for cutting and biting the food. Then the next one, canines. Canines are used for tearing food. Premolars. Premolars crush and chew the food. And the last one, molars help in chewing and grinding the food well. So this is the answer for question number D6. Okay. Now let us move to the next question. Question number D7. Okay. And the question is, list 3 ways that help us to protect our teeth. And your answer will be, 3 ways that help us to protect our teeth are, first one, we should brush our teeth twice a day, in the morning and at night. Then the next way, we should clean both the inner and outer surfaces of teeth properly. And the third one, we should rinse our mouth after every meal with water to remove food particles stuck between teeth. Okay, and instead of these 3, you can write other ways also which are given in the chapter. Okay, now let us move to the next question, question number D8. And the question is, draw a well-labeled diagram of digestive system. Okay, the answer I have not shown here because it is given in your book on page number A12. Okay, you have to draw that diagram of digestive system given in page number A12. Okay, so with this we have finished the question answers of this chapter, right? Teeth and digestive system. And today we discussed the answers of question B, C and D from page number A14 and A15. Okay, so with this we have finished the second chapter. Okay, from the next class we will start doing revision of the third chapter from the book. Okay, and there is no home assignment. I'm saying again that those who have not written the answers earlier, only they have to write the answers of question C and D in the classwork copy. So that's all for today. Thank you everyone.